Today, we're reviewing a handful of HESI Fundamentals questions to help you think through important nursing concepts like patient care after trauma, ethical principles, fracture healing, newborn assessment, and environmental safety. Let's dive into some scenarios together.
What are key nursing interventions for a female patient who was raped by an acquaintance? Focus on both patient consent and evidence preservation.
In this situation, you want to carefully assess the patient's stress level before starting any treatments. Make sure to obtain written consent for exams and procedures, and preserve any evidence properly. These steps respect the patient's emotional state and legal needs while ensuring appropriate care. Paternalism in healthcare conflicts with which nursing ethical principle? Think about patient decision-making rights.
Paternalism goes against the principle of autonomy. Autonomy means the patient has the right to make their own healthcare decisions. When providers make decisions for patients for their own good, it denies the patient's ability to control their own care.
Which process is the final stage in fracture healing? Look for the stage where bone shape is restored. The last phase in healing a fracture is remodeling. This is when the bone reshapes and excess tissue is absorbed, completing the healing process and restoring normal bone structure. What newborn sign indicates a full-term baby after delivery? Consider typical newborn posture features. A full-term newborn usually displays hypertonic flexion of the arms and legs while resting. This tight, flexed posture shows good muscle tone, unlike preterm infants, who tend to have more extended limbs and less muscle control. Which electrical safety practices should not be done in healthcare settings? Identify unsafe wiring and oxygen handling errors. Running wires under carpets is unsafe because it risks tripping and fire, so never do that. Similarly, turning off oxygen near outlets isn't an electrical safety step, it's a fire safety concern. Both should be avoided to maintain safe electrical environments. That wraps up our quick review of these nursing fundamentals questions. You can practice more questions like these anytime at nursegrades.com.